This is a complicated production process in which the fibers are heated in huge ovens until they are black, strong, and light. The huge furnaces reach temperatures of up to 1,400 degrees Celsius. The fibers are spun into fine threads and rolled onto spools for shipping to Germany. The basic material required for manufacturing carbon fibers is a white polyacrylic thread, the so-called precursor.
This is the krill area. This is the first step in the carbon fiber process. In this area, we take the polyacrylonitrile and form it into a web to go into the next step of the process.
Similar fine fibers are used to manufacture knitwear, such as sweaters. In the next section, the now splayed and stretched polyacrylic strands pass through 4 oxidation ovens.
The next step in the process is oxidation. The oxidation process stabilizes and oxidizes the material in preparation for carbonization.
At temperatures exceeding 200 degrees Celsius, the fibers slowly begin to change their composition and their color. They are transformed from white to gold, to copper, to brown, to black. This process takes 1.5 hours, the details of which are confidential.
We have a very defined process recipe with time, temperature, and speed that produces a very high quality carbon fiber.
After passing through the 4 large oxidation ovens, the fibers are carbonized within a very short time inside 2 furnaces at temperatures reaching 1,400 degrees Celsius.
The next step in the process is carbonization. We have the low temp and the high temperature furnaces. This process provides the strength to the material.
The oxidation and carbonization process at these high temperatures requires large amounts of energy. 50 of the total of 80 employees supervise the immense production facility.